Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. This video will be a little bit different from other videos. So this video will be an introduction for the upcoming video, which will be a cleaning video. And it's a little bit weird to do that, but I really wanted to share with you what I do while I'm cleaning, have a really heavy duty kind of a cleaning of my home. And then I'm gonna record another home tour because I really want to do that from a while. And on my old channel I did a home tour for my old home. Of course it's deleted and I don't have it again, so I decided to make a home tour for this one because I don't know if I'm gonna continue in this home or I'm gonna change it to another one. So one, I want to make a reminder or like a memory for me, and the second thing that I want to share my home tour with you if you want to like it, if you like to watch it. Anyway, I just woke up and drink my coffee and I'm a little bit better. So basically what I did on the last couple of days, like last couple of weeks to be honest, because I was very sick, I began to be a little bit better. But what I did, I just did kind of the medium and more heavy duty thing. So I washed all the carpets like in like small sections, like I washed like half of the carpet and just rest until I'm feeling good again and then continue. It was like a very long process, but I didn't want to stay still while I'm sick, having this severe flu. I don't like it. I feel like I'm more tired when I sit still not doing anything, and at the same time I just want to make sure that I use the time that I have when I feel good as much as I can. So that's what I did, and I removed all the curtains. Like as you can see, I removed all the curtains. As you can see, my chairs, I removed all the the cushion coverings. I washed my blankets, like a lot of things that I did actually. And I'm gonna go back a little to my bedroom. Okay, ignore the bed because my cat just destroyed it. I'm covering it with another like coverings. It's in the washing machine. So as you can see, this is my bed. I didn't do it, of course, because I'm gonna clean this room today. So as you can see, no curtains, nothing. So I removed all the curtains and I washed all the cushions and the cushion coverings. I washed all the carpets. I washed everything, and I am in like cleaning the chandeliers. I cleaned the chandelier, the big one here. Just kind of not really like heavy cleaning, but I just like dust it up very quickly. And I'm gonna clean the walls because it's been a year I didn't clean the walls from the dust. Of course they need to be clean. Like it looks beautiful, like it looks not dirty, but I know there is a dirt on, like a dust on the wall, so I need to clean up, dust it up very quickly. I cleaned the windows, the window wire, I cleaned them. So the heavy duty things that I finished. So I love to do that all on my own house, all around the house, all of it. And then when I am ready, like everything's clean, curtain, carpets, like sheets, everything is clean, I just clean from up down. So I'm gonna clean the walls going down, clean the surfaces, everything, and make everything, and like mop the floor, clean everything, and add the carpet. So that's what I'm gonna do in the next video. Of course I'm gonna speed it up. I hope it will not be long, because I wanted to share this with you because it's not only cleaning video, it's like more like cleaning your mind video. So basically why I'm sharing that, because cleaning your surroundings is actually a mirror of what is happening inside. So if you have a messy, cluttery, like chaotic surroundings, basically that's what's happening inside of you. So it's gonna reflect on you, and your inner world reflect on your outer world. So if your home is messy, dirty, cluttery, and not organized, well, that's your mind. That's how you feel. You're not organized inside. Your mind not organized. Maybe you have a lot of problems, a lot of work to do, and everything will be just in chaotic space inside. So basically your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. So if you are have a disturbance or unorganized mind and thinking inside of you, that will reflect on your surroundings, and vice versa. So what I love to do, just like kind of clear my mind and try to see what I need to do and try to organize myself from inside, and that really give me the energy to do the cleaning and organizing, because basically I'm like everyone, I guess, there's like a very small percentage of the people around the world who is really like freak about cleaning, organizing, but I'm not. But I love to have a nice organized clean space, because it really give me like peace of mind and give me a lot of good reflection and really help me a lot to think better, organize my mind better, and I can see the difference between having a cluttery or dusty kind of space or unorganized space. It really reflects to my mind, and vice versa. Hi baby, as you can see, my cat's just right here. Okay, they are sitting, where's my third cat, and they are having a good time with me. So just like left them to record the video and to begin my cleaning. It's early in the morning, it's about like 9:20. I don't wake up like that early often, but I just wanted to make sure that I finish the home today as much as I can. I feel better today, so I really wanted to like put everything in place and be happy. Hello, hello. So it's Friday now, and I'm feeling so good. And what I was talking about, like, so that's what I'm gonna do anyway. So while I'm doing that, because I'm gonna speed up the video, you're not gonna see the whole process, of course. I said that there's 2 points, and what is the second point? I can't remember. I'll remember. Anyway, I'm gonna listen to motivational videos. So basically, when I was younger, I used to listen to music. Sometimes I still listen to music while cleaning, organizing, but like as I grow up, as I began my spiritual awakening and taking my energy back and focus on my inner peace and focus in my inner well-being, I began to be more into like motivational videos, audiobooks, and all this stuff. But audiobooks need a little bit more concentration, especially if it's my first time to listen to them. So basically, when I'm cleaning, I'm doing something else that need a little bit of my attention, I listen to motivational videos that I already listened to before, so it kind of stick in inside my head, inside my mind, and like makes me take more of it. So for the I can't remember how many times I listened to Sadhguru. I'm already listening to him, as you can see. He's on, I don't can use any, but he's on my TV. I think in my laptop to my TV, so I can like listen to him like out loud. So it's all around the place. So wherever I go, I can listen to him. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna listen to inner engineering while I'm doing this, because I feel like I need more of this inner peace and his wisdom more. And yeah, I guess the second point I was talking about, I'm focusing on the last 3 weeks, and I'm gonna continue focusing on the next 2 months, I guess, because it's the beginning of a new year, the end of this year and beginning of a new year is just like a fresh start, and I begin to feel like my energy is shifting, and I need to focus my whole energy into myself, because I begin to feel drained lately, that I am like spreading my energy to everything and everyone around me and not taking the most of it to myself, and I begin to feel drained because the energy should be in exchange. So if you are taking your energy out without taking that energy back again, you will feel drained. And I was feeling that draining from a couple of weeks, now about 3 or 4 weeks, feel so much drained of my energy. I feel like I out of focus, out of control, not in a really good mood, like I love to be. So I decided to focus my whole attention to myself. So that's why I removed all the apps, like the main apps, like social media. I removed the Telegram, I removed the Facebook, because they are the main thing, especially Facebook. I removed the WhatsApp and Instagram, as I told you in like previous video, but actually I download them again because I really need them. Like Instagram is a part of my YouTube, so I need it. and WhatsApp, like it's important to communicate with the specific people in my life, like my mom, like work stuff and things. So I needed it. I had to, but I'm trying to limit my interaction with people on WhatsApp. Snowy, Snowy. See what he's trying to do? See what he's trying to do? Raising cats just like raising children, like they are crazy. Snowy, don't. Anyway, so that will be long. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, so basically cleaning, organizing is a part of my taking my energy back, organizing everything around me to have this peaceful, clean surrounding that will really help me a lot to have this peaceful, clean inner rounding. So yeah, so I really hope you like this video. So and I really hope that will be kind of a motivational video for you if you are thinking about organizing this, like your surroundings, and you're hesitating, feeling lazy. Just get up and do it. You will feel completely different. I know it's kind of hard at the beginning. Just do small steps to do that, and as you go along the way, especially if you don't like cleaning, when you do small baby steps, you really feel the difference, and that will give you more like energy and more motivation to continue doing this. That's what I did, especially when I'm so sick. That's what I did, and that's what really makes me keep going. Like, I want to clean everything. I want to have a complete clean it's a car. I want to have a complete clean home, like from up down, inside out. Of course, there will be another like organizing step, which is the inner organizing step, which will be to take way more long time, because I'm gonna organize all the cabinets or the sections in my wardrobes and my drawers and everything. But this is another story. This is the whole thing, organizing, cleaning things. So you have a clean, organized surrounding to have a clean, organized mind and space. So it gave me more power, more energy, more like positive energy to do the stuff that I really want to do, especially in the next couple of months. It's the season of like makeup and stuff, and beautiful Christmas and Thanksgiving and all these beautiful stuff. I really love this part of the year. I really love and enjoy. Even I'm staying at home, I enjoy that part of the year. So I need to have a clean mind. So to have a clean mind, I need to have a clean space. I really hope you like this video. I'm sorry it's so long, but I really want to say everything. Maybe it will be a motivational video for you, as I told you, to get into it and clean and like start fresh. It's just like less than 2 months. We're gonna go to a whole new year, and I am so optimistic that year will be way better than the years before. I really hope so, and I really feel that in my heart. And like everything is shifting. Everything is shifting, and I feel it. And I feel my life is shifting, and I'm really embracing it, and I'm like going with it. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I'm gonna see you in my cleaning video. I really hope you enjoy that very quick cleaning process, and don't mind if I jump up and down. Like, that's how I do things. So yeah, I really hope you should enjoy it, and I love you so much, and bye.